this is. I think we were treated yesterday to a bit of paradise in Scotland. It was lovely, it was warm, it was sunny. Now, well, it's what people would call typical Scottish weather. It's alright. As long as you've got your waterproofs, you're fine. And I think this is on for most of the day. Apparently there's a little break just after lunch, and then it's going to throw it down again. So the van's looking a very grey, dull colour today. It's amazing how it changes colour all the time. It's pretty cool. Right, I'm going to get back in because I'm getting wet. We're a bit steamed up this morning. So, bank holiday Monday of the Queen's coronation. No, it's not. I don't know why I said that. The King's coronation. Window's a little bit steamy because Amika came through the front and all the hot air from my shower came through and steamed all the windows up. Which is unusual really because it doesn't normally get steamed up in here, does it? So what are you doing?
Reading Secret 7.
Go ahead, Secret 7. Have a look at your hair full of daisies. Did Joe do it?
Yeah.
It's cool, isn't it? So we're leaving here. Joe's heading north to Scotland to finish off the rest of her, or to start really, the rest of the Scottish adventure. We're going home. But not yet. We're going to go and explore. We're going to make the most of today. So we're probably going to go... There's a castle not too far from here. I have no idea what it looks like. It just said castle. So I clicked on it. It looked like a castle ruin. There was a wooden door that looked well preserved. So I thought, cool, let's go there. Right, let's get the fan back on. And we'll see you at a castle. Where are we going today?
Castle.
Which is called Castle... What's it called? Do we know? Do we know what it's called? No. It's called Castle... Drumlanrig Castle. So it's there. I think there's like a lake that goes around it. So we're going to go and explore it. Help? Well, you've been no good at attacking a castle if you can't get across a puddle. You have to stay there forever. Jump!
No. Ow.
Yeah.
Yay, kissy game.
Yeah. It's an unusual looking castle because they're normally like high up.
Yeah.
So I was just saying that a lot of the castles in Scotland are actually got fencing around them because they're doing a lot of work on them. They're trying to restore them, make them safe so people can actually go around them, which is terrible for photographic purposes, but obviously in the long run we're going to be able to go in and enjoy them. Yeah, so from reading that sign it sounds like this wasn't a military defensive position, this was a castle built for leisure.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, because it looks more like a church than a castle. It's like big arched windows rather than little tiny holes to shoot people out of. So where are we? There's the castle, so we're here. Oh yeah, that's that red route, you can't go through there. Basically the whole woodland's blocked off, apart from that bit, which you can't get to because it's all blocked off anyway. Right, we found a waterfall, so obviously we can't go up there because there's a lot of tree disease going on. So we found a waterfall which is in the direction of the motorway where we're going. Joe's going north, we're going south. So we're going to go there. Let's go. There's the waterfall. Before we continue, I just want to say a huge thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. It goes without saying that we all struggle at some point in life, whether it's work pressure, relationships, or maybe you're just lost in this crazy place we call Earth and don't know where to turn. With mental health awareness on the rise and talking about it freely becoming the norm, I want to introduce to you BetterHelp. BetterHelp is the world's largest therapy service and it's 100% online. With BetterHelp, you can tap into a network of over 30,000 licensed therapists who can help you with a wide range of issues. To get started, you just need to answer a few questions about your needs and preferences in order to get matched with the right therapist from their network. As we all communicate in different ways, whether it's via text, chat, phone, or video call, BetterHelp has you covered. You can message your therapist at any time and schedule live sessions when it's convenient for you. And one of my favourite features is that if your therapist isn't the right fit for any reason, you can switch to a new therapist at no additional charge. With BetterHelp, you get the same professionalism and quality that you expect from in-office therapy, but with a therapist who is custom picked for you. More scheduling flexibility and at a more affordable price. So if you're lost, confused, or both, then don't delay, get in touch with BetterHelp today. Also, by using my link betterhelp.com/Gary and Amika, you will get 10% off your first month. I personally know 2 people who've used BetterHelp therapy services and have nothing but positive feedback to say. So if you're lost, confused, and don't know where to turn, reach out to BetterHelp today and start enjoying the quality life that we all deserve. Now back to the video.
Do they just never ever stop eating or what?
So we've driven past here a few times but never actually been here or stopped here. So if you ever want to steal my van, you can always try the door handles because most of the time I forget to lock it. Right, let's try and get across the river. Obviously there's a perfectly normal bridge there that we could just go across. That would be boring. What are we thinking? Pretty deep. There will be a way. Oh, there's also another bridge there. There's got to be a way to get across here. There's a perfectly normal bridge there as well. Still determined to get across even though there is a bridge there. So I think we've got 2 options. Option 1 is to go up the path, follow it all the way up there where them people are. Up there. Or go along the trail here to the waterfall. You can see the top of it up there, look. But that's all you're seeing because I want to keep it a secret. You got me. Right, let's go across the bridge. Yeah, I'm boiling. Whew. Well, that's obviously a trail.
Go on, look at the waterfall.
But I don't know if there's a trail this way as well.
This way, that way. That way. Done.
Right then. Let's see what these signs say. Interesting, 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 interesting. The terrace in front of you has Iron Age Bank. Should we follow that trail up there and see where it goes?
Yeah.
Come on, let's do it.
Oh, Daddy, I want to get across the river, not the boring way.
No.
What are you
Fluffy. So if you look really carefully over here, there's like these little rocks. And if you move to the side slightly, there's more. But these ones move. Goats. Mountain goats. There they are. How camouflaged they are, look. So that is a stone. And there goats in the middle. There's a baby goat right on the edge of the cliff. Right in the centre of the screen. There's a big one there in the middle. And then if you go up a little bit, there's a little baby one. We've sneaked past the sign. Obviously you're allowed to, or you was allowed to come down here at some point, but probably why you can't go here anymore. You have to go down there and round.
Oh, I caught it. Got it. Oh. Ah!